Imagine a world where tiny machines operate inside your body, precisely targeting and repairing cells, fighting diseases at their source. Welcome to the realm of nanotechnology-based medicine. Nanotechnology-based medicine uses molecular machines or nanorobots to perform medical procedures at the cellular and even molecular level. These tiny machines are designed to navigate through the human body with precision, reaching areas that are otherwise difficult to access with traditional medical tools. These microscopic robots can identify and repair damaged cells, ensuring that the body's natural healing processes are supported and enhanced. They can detect abnormalities at an early stage, allowing for timely intervention and treatment. Targeting cancer cells without harming healthy ones, nanorobots offer a revolutionary approach to cancer treatment. By distinguishing between healthy and cancerous cells, they minimize the side effects typically associated with conventional therapies like chemotherapy and radiation, and even work to reverse aging processes. These advanced technologies hold the promise of regenerative medicine, potentially repairing tissues and organs and rejuvenating the body at a cellular level. The future of medicine is here, and it is incredibly small. Scientists are developing these nanorobots to perform highly precise medical tasks. From repairing cellular damage to delivering targeted treatments, these innovations hold the promise of revolutionizing medicine. With the advent of nanotechnology-based medicine, we stand on the brink of a revolutionary era in healthcare. Imagine a world where we could potentially cure diseases that are currently untreatable, such as certain aggressive types of cancer. These tiny yet incredibly powerful nanorobots could target and destroy cancer cells with pinpoint accuracy, leaving healthy cells unharmed. Moreover, this advanced medical nanotechnology holds the promise of extending human lifespan significantly. By tackling the very causes of aging at a cellular level, we could slow down or even reverse the aging process. This means not just living longer, but living healthier, more vibrant lives well into our later years. The future of medicine is indeed exciting and full of potential. The potential impact of nanotechnology in medicine is profound and far-reaching. Imagine a world where treatments are not only more effective, but also significantly less invasive. This cutting-edge technology could revolutionize the way we approach healthcare, offering solutions that were once thought impossible. For instance, nanobots could be used to target cancer cells with pinpoint accuracy, minimizing damage to healthy tissues and reducing side effects. Additionally, advanced drug delivery systems could ensure that medications are released at the right place and time within the body, enhancing their efficacy. The possibilities are endless, from regenerating damaged tissues to diagnosing diseases at their earliest stages. As we continue to explore and develop these innovations, we move closer to a future where diseases are no longer a barrier to health and our quality of life is vastly improved. Nanotechnology-based medicine, a revolutionary approach to healing, bringing us closer to a future where advanced treatments and cures are within our grasp.